Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Lab. My name is Sarah, and I'm so excited to be with you today. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves: travel and vacations. Whether you dream of tropical beaches, ancient cities, or mountain adventures, today's episode is for you. We have Tom with us again. Welcome back, Tom.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me back. I'm so excited about today's topic.
Tom, you love to travel, right?
Yes, traveling is one of my favorite things to do. I love exploring new places, meeting new people, experiencing different cultures, and trying new foods.
Perfect. Today, we're talking about travel experiences, favorite destinations, and dream vacations.
This is going to be fun. I have so many stories to share about my adventures around the world.
Our listeners will learn useful travel vocabulary today. These phrases help when you travel to English-speaking countries or when you meet travelers from around the world.
Absolutely. Talking about travel is a great way to practice English and learn about the world at the same time.
Travel opens your mind, broadens your perspective, and helps you understand different cultures. Are you ready to share your travel experiences, Tom?
I'm ready. Let's go on a journey together.
Perfect. Let's begin our travel adventure. Okay, Tom, let's start with a simple question. Do you enjoy traveling?
I love traveling. It's one of my greatest passions. Every time I travel, I feel alive and excited about the world.
That's beautiful. How often do you travel?
I try to take 2 or 3 trips per year. Usually one big international trip in the summer, and a few shorter domestic trips for long weekends.
That's a nice balance. Now tell me, what was your favorite trip ever?
Oh, that's such a difficult question. But I think my favorite trip was when I went to Japan 3 years ago.
Japan! That's an amazing destination. Why was it your favorite?
Japan was incredible because everything was so different from my home country. The culture, the food, the architecture, the people. Everything was a completely new experience.
That sounds amazing. How long did you stay in Japan?
I stayed for 2 full weeks. I spent 1 week in Tokyo exploring the city, and 1 week traveling to Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima.
2 weeks is perfect for seeing so much. Did you travel alone or with someone?
I traveled with 2 close friends. We planned the trip together for almost 6 months before we went.
Planning with friends sounds like fun. Do you prefer traveling alone or with other people?
Both have advantages. When I travel with friends, we share experiences and memories together. It's more fun and sometimes safer, especially in unfamiliar places.
That makes sense. And what about traveling alone?
Traveling alone gives you complete freedom. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want, without having to compromise.
True independence. Have you traveled completely alone before?
Yes. Last year, I went to Portugal by myself for 1 week. It was a different experience, but I really enjoyed it.
Portugal sounds wonderful. We'll talk more about that later. Do you prefer international travel or domestic travel?
I enjoy both for different reasons. International travel is exciting because you experience completely different cultures and ways of life. But domestic travel is also wonderful. It's usually cheaper and easier, and you can discover beautiful places in your own country.
Well said! Many people forget their own country has amazing places too.
Sometimes we don't appreciate what's close to us until we explore it.
Let's talk about specific places you've visited. Besides Japan, what other countries have you been to?
I've been to about 15 countries. I've visited most of Europe, some Asian countries, and a few in North America.
15 countries. What are some other favorites?
I really loved Italy. I went to Rome, Florence, and Venice. The history, the art, the food, everything was magnificent.
What was your favorite city in Italy?
Florence. It's smaller than Rome, so it's easier to walk around, and it has incredible Renaissance art and architecture.
Did you visit museums there?
Yes, I visited the Uffizi Gallery. It has amazing paintings by Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci. I spent almost a whole day there.
You really love art? What about North America?
I went to the United States, New York City, and San Francisco. Both were amazing, but very different.
How were they different?
New York is very fast-paced and energetic. Everyone is busy and there are so many tall buildings. San Francisco is more relaxed, with beautiful ocean views and the Golden Gate Bridge.
Which did you prefer?
I enjoyed both, but I preferred San Francisco because I like cities near the ocean. The weather was nicer too.
Good weather is important. Now tell us about Portugal.
Portugal was wonderful. I went to Lisbon, the capital. It's a charming city with colorful buildings, delicious food, and friendly people.
What did you do there?
I walked around old neighborhoods, visited historic sites, ate lots of pastel de nata. Those are Portuguese custard tarts. And I took a day trip to a beach town called Cascais.
Was it easy to travel alone there?
Very easy. Portuguese people are welcoming to tourists, and many speak English, so communication wasn't difficult.
Of all the places you've visited, which had the best food?
Japan. Everything was delicious. Sushi, ramen, tempura, yakitori. Even convenience store food was good.
What about the most beautiful place?
Switzerland. I went to the Swiss Alps and the mountains and lakes were breathtaking. It looked like a postcard.
Did you do any activities there?
Yes, I went hiking in the mountains. It was challenging, but the views were worth it. I also took a scenic train ride through the Alps.
Those train rides are spectacular.
They are. The train goes through tunnels and over bridges. You see snow-covered mountains, green valleys, and tiny villages. It was unforgettable.
Tom, let's talk about different types of vacations. Do you prefer beach vacations or mountain vacations?
That depends on the season. In summer, I prefer beach vacations because I love swimming in the ocean and relaxing in the sun.
And in winter?
In winter, I prefer mountain vacations. I enjoy skiing and I love cozy mountain cabins with fireplaces.
What about city trips versus nature trips?
I enjoy both for different reasons. City trips are exciting, museums, restaurants, shopping, nightlife. Nature trips are peaceful and relaxing. You disconnect from busy life and enjoy natural beauty.
Do you prefer adventure vacations or relaxation vacations?
I like a mix of both. When I went to Thailand, I spent the first week exploring Bangkok and trying street food. Then, I spent the second week on a quiet beach island, just swimming and reading.
Best of both worlds. How long is the ideal vacation for you?
2 weeks is ideal. 1 week feels too short. 3 weeks might be too long because you might get homesick or run out of money.
True. Do you prefer staying in one place or visiting multiple places?
I prefer visiting multiple places, but not too many. For 2 weeks, maybe 3 or 4 cities. This way I see different things, but I'm not always packing and moving.
Smart. What's your favorite accommodation? Hotels, hostels, or Airbnb?
It depends. When traveling on a budget, I stay in hostels. They're cheap, and you meet other travelers. For comfortable trips, I prefer Airbnb apartments. More space than hotels. And you can cook sometimes. Hotels are for special trips or work travel.
Let's talk about your dream vacations. Where do you want to go that you haven't been yet?
My #1 dream destination is New Zealand. I've wanted to go there for years.
New Zealand. What attracts you there?
The natural beauty. New Zealand has everything. Mountains, beaches, forests, glaciers, and beautiful lakes. It looks like paradise.
What would you do there?
I'd do a road trip around both islands. I'd go hiking, visit the fjords, maybe try bungee jumping. New Zealand is famous for that.
Are you brave enough for bungee jumping?
I don't know, but if I go to New Zealand, I have to try it, right?
True. What other places are on your list?
Iceland. I want to see the northern lights, visit hot springs, and explore volcanic landscapes.
Iceland is very popular now. Any other dreams?
I want to go to Peru and hike the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. It's supposed to be one of the most amazing experiences in the world.
That's a challenging hike, though.
I know I need to train and get in better shape first. The trail is at high altitude, so it's physically demanding.
Good planning. What about other Asian countries?
I want to visit Vietnam and Thailand. I've heard amazing things about the food, beaches, temples, and friendly people.
What about Africa?
I want to go on a safari in Kenya or Tanzania. I'd love to see elephants, lions, and giraffes in their natural habitat.
Amazing! Any specific activities on your bucket list?
I want to take a hot air balloon ride over Cappadocia in Turkey. The photos are breathtaking. And I want to try scuba diving in the Great Barrier Reef in Australia.
Exciting dreams! When will you do all these trips?
Over the next 10 or 20 years, I hope. These are long-term goals.
Do you have trips planned for this year?
In a few months, I'm visiting Morocco. I want to explore Marrakesh and maybe ride a camel in the Sahara Desert.
That sounds exciting. I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn. We want to hear about your travel experiences and dreams.
Yes, we want to know about your travels.
Let's ask you some questions. Write your answers in the comments section.
Ready? Here we go.
First, have you traveled to another country? If yes, where? If no, where do you want to go?
Share your travel experience or travel dream.
Good. Second, what was your favorite vacation ever? Where did you go and what did you do?
Share your favorite travel memory.
Great! Third, do you prefer beach, mountain, or city vacations?
Tell us your preference.
Perfect. Fourth, what is your dream destination? Where do you want to go most?
Maybe Paris, Tokyo, New York, the Maldives? Share your dream.
Wonderful. Fifth, do you prefer to travel alone, with friends, or with family?
Each has advantages. Tell us yours.
Excellent. Last question. What's one place in your country that everyone should visit?
Sometimes the best destinations are close to home.
Great thinking. Please comment down your answers. We love reading about your experiences.
Share your stories. You might inspire someone to visit a new place.
Writing about travel in English is great practice.
Don't worry about mistakes. Every comment is practice.
You might make new friends who share your travel interests.
The Everyday English Lab community is worldwide.
Well, everyone, that was our exciting conversation about travel and vacations.
This was so much fun. Talking about travel makes me want to pack my bags.
Me too. Let's review important travel phrases. Here are the key travel phrases for today. I love to travel. My favorite trip was. I've been to. I want to visit. I prefer to. The most beautiful place is. My dream destination is. Have you ever been to?
These phrases are perfect for travel conversations.
Now, your homework for this week.
Homework time.
First, write a short paragraph about your best vacation. Include where you went, what you did, and why you loved it.
This helps you practice past tense and travel vocabulary.
Second, Make a list of 5 places you want to visit. Write 1 sentence about why for each place.
Your travel bucket list in English.
Third, learn 5 new travel vocabulary words this week.
Building vocabulary is important.
And fourth, watch this video again and practice pronunciation. Try recording yourself.
Repetition helps you remember.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe and turn on notifications for new episodes.
What's next, Sarah?
Next episode, work and jobs. We'll talk about careers, work routines, and dream jobs.
Sounds interesting.
Make sure to come back next week. Thank you for joining us, Tom. You shared wonderful travel stories.
Thank you, Sarah. And thank you to all our listeners.
Remember, travel opens your mind and heart.
Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
The world is waiting for you. Safe travels.
Goodbye, everyone.
Until next time.